everyone, Neil from Exposed Media Studio, and today I've got some ThinkTank products for review. And first up is the Cable Management System 30 version 2. Please see the link below for the link to the website and go and check out their products. Thanks. So here is the Cable Management 30 version 2 from ThinkTank. So instead of having this all laying about on your shelf in your bag, why not use a logical solution? Get yourself one of these. Always remember, keep your silica gel inside. It can prevent from any build-up of moisture. As you can see, there we go. Everything's all nice and neat inside. Much better solution. Much better to have. You can keep it inside your bag. And your ThinkTank bags, take it with you to your photo shoots, video shoots. You know where all your cables are. You can even put a little label so you can see through the window and see what cables you have in your bag. And these products are great. I use them for shoots. In the studio, take them with me, and I know everything's there. It's going to be nice and secure and all in one place. Check out the link below and see where you can buy this product, and go over to ThinkTank's website to check out their great products. Thanks.